Well, thank you, dear. Really appreciate giving me the opportunity to be here. I think to us, the valuation is just what the markets give a number to the company, but what we focus on really is building the foundations of the company. The company has not been around for nearly 3 years, but we're very happy with the progress we're making. Even with the competitions, we're the absolutely global leader in the micromobility, which is a new trend, as you mentioned.
You hail from the venture capital world, so you know what these fundraisings look like and you know how the private market operates. Are we seeing valuations too far ahead of themselves? And what does a shakedown mean for companies like yours that are still having to raise money in private markets? Does it make your job much harder now?
I think first of all, right, knowing the capital market, how it works does help. At the end of the day, that capital chases the performance. We as the global leader in the micromobility, we're operating in 120 markets in 30 countries. And we are the largest player by any metric. We're 2x bigger than the second one, 10x bigger than the third one. And that really gave us the, let's just say, privilege to attract the capital to support our vision and course. And it is interesting to see what the development lately in the market, but it doesn't affect us much. In addition to the strong performance, we are really focusing on the profitability as well. Essentially, a business is operating on profitability. Yeah.
Let's talk about that pathway to profitability, because we have a sector now worth $17 billion and growing. A lot of competitors coming into the space, but when many of the critics rake through the numbers, they look at the cost per mile of travel and what that means for companies, the overall metrics just don't add up until you have scale at this point. So talk us through your journey trying to get to profitability.
Well, first of all, I'd like to share that as a company, we are gross margin positive already as an entire company for the entire quarter. And then we do anticipate profitability in 2020. So it's not even how we build a path. We're already almost there. And we're further enhance our capability to improve the profitability. And that means bring down the cost on the depreciation side and also operational efficiency. And that also means how we increase the top line. So we have a very clear path to profitability already.